Choose the correct sentence. Options are A. I don't have some money. B. I don't have any money. C. I don't have any monies. D. I don't have some monies. The correct answer is I don't have any money. Complete the sentence correctly. There are blank apples in the basket. Options are A. Any. B. Some. C. Any of. D. No any. The correct answer is some. Which sentence is correct in a question form? Options are A. Do you have some water? B. Do you have any water? C. Do you have water any? D. Do you have any waters? The correct answer is Do you have any water? Choose the correct option. There isn't blank milk left. Options are A. Some. B. Any. C. Many. D. Few. The correct answer is any. When making an offer, which is correct? Options are A. Would you like any tea? B. Would you like some tea? C. Would you like tea any? D. Would you like any teas? The correct answer is Would you like some tea? Select the correct sentence. Options are A. She bought any books. B. She bought some books. C. She bought any book. D. She bought some book. The correct answer is She bought some books. Choose the correct sentence for a negative statement. Options are A. There are some problems. B. There aren't some problems. C. There aren't any problems. D. There are any problems. The correct answer is There aren't any problems. Fill in the blank correctly. Is there blank sugar in the jar? Options are A. Some. B. Any. C. Many. D. Few. The correct answer is any. Which sentence is correct? Options are A. I need any help. B. I need some help. C. I need help any. D. I need some helps. The correct answer is I need some help. Which rule is correct? Options are A. Some is mainly used in negative sentences. B. Any is mainly used in positive sentences. C. Some is often used in positive sentences. D. Any is used only with singular nouns. The correct answer is Some is often used in positive sentences.